It's time for a Game Boy video game review.
Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector, and today we got some pretty nice multi-game cards to review, or in this case a multi-game card. Today we're going to talk about the 40-in-1, and this is one of the Super Game collection. I'm not that fan of this collection because they're mostly crappy and double games, and where is the decal on the box? No repeat. So let's take a closer look at the box, because this is the first time I got a box with this super card. Really awesome. Turtles, Kuryu Chen, that is Chin Chan, Pikachu Land, Dr. Mario Battle City, and like on the box is already doubling of repeating. Alright, the game cartridge is really nice, crystal, transparent, with a little bit of glitter and glamour. So yeah people, let's take it in, because I want to play it. Alright, let's take a close look at the main menu. Yeah, it's just like every super game collection of card collection. Got actually a few games on it. Pikachu Land. Man, this game is on freaking every super card. Are they proud or something on this stupid game? Stupid. Correct. I will correct myself. It's stupid. It's a funny homebrew game, but it's pretty damn basic. Yeah, we have Pikachu and Pokeballs and that kind of stuff. But yeah, I'm not waiting for it anymore because it's on freaking every card. Yeah, Turtles 2. Let's see if it's actually Turtles 2, because they're trying to trick us in that part. Alright. Oh, it's actually Turtles 2, so alright. And didn't have as a child this game. Only have part 1. Really love this part. It looks exactly like the first one, only with some little new add-ons like the intro and that's just kind of little stuff. Go away with your freaking ass! Go away, you ass. Oh yeah. Oh, I see the pattern. Oh right, but it's still... Oh man, this part's really hard. Alright. So for the final conclusion. So people, why don't they call it 40-in-1? Because there are just 4 or 5 games on these things. But yeah, I understand. It is a more better selling point. Well, look at me. I can buy a 40-in-1. So I can buy 1 cartridge and have 40 games. But yeah, nowadays we know better. Sometimes they still do it, making this crappy stuff. Because let's be honest, just crap if you put a lot of double games or repeat on it. I hate it. But I want to thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome Wicked videos, and see you next time. Oh yeah, for totally forgetting, almost forgetting. A multi-game card collector. I put an Instagram, because he sent a pretty picture on Instagram, and she got a really nice collection of multi-cards. I lent it, I didn't buy it, and thank you for giving me the opportunity of making this video. So yeah people, see you next time, bye bye. Hi fellow YouTubers, I want to thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Yes, and you also can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, don't give a shit about Twitter. But Instagram, I make pretty picture and I send on Instagram. So yeah, follow me.